Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Happy Thirsty Thursday, my budget friends. We are back. I figured out some numbers that I could truly live with. I have $21 that we're working with today, and we are going to try and complete hopefully one, at least one, right? Yeah, because we have some savings challenges that are kind of close, and I think maybe two. It looked like maybe we could do two. I need to get some change. So I know I completed a savings challenge already, and so let's see. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That helps quite a bit. Because I would like to, after I complete this saving challenge next week, Tuesday, I would like to see if I could finish any more saving challenges, because I am working on a sinking funds cash stuffing from all of my savings challenge binders, including this one. I want to put that money together. Let's see, do we have any more change? Because $21 is not very much, but plenty to start saving. Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I have another $5 bill there. I'd like to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And let's pull these out. This is how I did it last time, isn't it? Deja vu. Just going to set this off to the side here. All right, so we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we are going to roll the dice to see which savings challenge is getting $1. And we have our dice here, and let's go. 5. Whoop. Yes, 5 is complete. 5 is complete. Rolling 5 like crazy today. Maybe I should put another saving challenge in there. Oh, yeah, maybe I should. 6, okay. 4. Come on, 1. Come on, 1. 1. Yes, okay. I don't know if you guys can see it over there. I think that was a 4, honestly, but moving on. 6. One more dollar. 4. Perfect. All right. So all of these savings challenges are from Batty Bankroll. I will make sure to link her channel down below. These are all freebies that I received. Well, she has a Ko-Fi shop, or she does like posts on her YouTube community tab. So freebies, freebies, freebies. I swear by them because they're incredible. A good way to actually save money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Tossing the money all over. All right. So in total we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. The next savings challenge is getting $3 here. All right. 2 and 3. Color half of that. And now we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11. Huh. This one only needed $2. So let's add this $2 here, and then we will figure out what we're doing there. This savings challenge is completed. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Seems like it should be more. 2, 4, 6, 8. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So it should be $16. So we're just going to make sure it has 16. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I don't know what I did wrong there or what I was working on, but this one is actually completed. And we will add in another savings challenge in a moment. This savings challenge is getting $3. So we have 1, 2, 3. $2 more, and this one's completed. So exciting. Love seeing this progress. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, not getting the money in there. All right. The savings challenge is getting $1, which completes it. In total, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This savings challenge is getting 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. 1, 2. Awesome. Okay, and we have $1 left, and I think what we'll do is see which savings challenge. Let's add it here because we needed $1 more to complete this circle. That's a good idea. So now we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. All right, so we completed 2 savings challenges. We completed 2 savings challenges, and so we can pull 2 more. And I want to try to keep doing her savings challenges through the whole month of May. For June, I do have another idea for my Tiny Tuesday, Thirsty Thursdays. So I will be trying to continue on saving as much as I possibly can. My kiddo's birthday is in June, so that's another reason why I'm trying so hard to get my stuff together. Oh, okay, so this one is the dice. Do I want to do 2 of those? No, let's do. All right, so we're going to add in one with the dice, and that has the amounts that you need to save, and then a blank one that I'll do either at $1 or $2. I've been doing them at $2 because I'd like to save as much as I can. Perfect. So we've added in our other savings challenges, completed a couple more, which I have some other bills. Let's see if I can. 5, 10, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, let's see about this 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's make sure this is 20, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And let's see how much we have. Sliding the money back in there. Did I get it all? Okay, let's see here. 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I do have other savings challenges that I'm trying to complete, so that's why I have a couple 20s, and I figured maybe I would have some change. So far with my Tiny Tuesday, Thirsty Thursdays, I've saved $62. Plus, obviously, what I'm working on, but completed the savings challenges here. All right, let's see. I'm trying to think how I could put this money in here without getting it stuck. Perfect. All right, and these savings challenges are completed. I'm not certain how I'm going to keep track of my completed savings challenges. Maybe I'll throw them in the back in a blank envelope. I don't know yet. I found one. It's a good idea. Let's just make sure we have our completed. Boom. There. We have our ones that we're going to work on or try to get through. Hopefully for the month of May, work on as many as I can. But I do like to use my freebies and put them in rotation. So anyway, that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.